Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is one I've been working on for a while. I feel like at this point you should just expect heavy breathing from me, air gasping, I don't know, taking some air in. We're here together with the Love Bug McGee, and I just wanted to share this with you, but it is another Halloween costume tutorial. So far on my channel, I have shared my chicken video for making a chicken costume and a dinosaur costume. So this year, our daughter is 4, and like any 4-year-old girl, she wants to be a unicorn. Shocking, I know. So this tutorial is pretty much the easiest DIY tutorial I have done. I only got the hot glue gun out once, and it was honestly so easy. I barely had to order anything at all, which is awesome. I spent maybe $20, I would say, on I spent maybe 20 bucks on everything, all the other stuff we had. So that's my kind of Halloween costume. I kind of like it that way. So I do wonder though, how many people actually make their kids Halloween costumes. I actually bought my daughter another Halloween costume because she has some other so I actually purchased a Halloween costume for her because we have several like trick-or-treating things that are not on Halloween, and my husband has to get her ready, and it's much easier for him just to put on a costume and be done than to do all the parts of the unicorn. So that's my mom tip for you to help out your spouse if you have a spouse who does like mornings with your kids and has other functions they need to be ready for. So just FYI. This is the one I bought from Target, and it's a mermaid costume. So cute. If you also, I'm going to do a video on like my Target tips and tricks, things I've learned over the years from the mothership on how to find the best deals. But if you don't have, they call it Target Circle now, also Target Cartwheel, they will match any of their online prices. So I got this for $18. And then I was like, why am I making costumes? I honestly like to make costumes, but I don't blame you if you just want to buy one. But this way he can just put on a shirt underneath it because it's itchy. You know, toddlers and itchiness. But I thought it was just such a cute costume for $18. And then she can just use it to play dress up. So take that for what it is. As far as the Halloween costume, I wanted to show you a couple of things about it. We already had, I decided she wanted to be specifically a rainbow unicorn. So, okay. I personally do not like primary color rainbows. So like red, blue, green, yellow, orange, like those kind of colors. I like more of the pastel rainbow. And thankfully she was fine with me taking that over. So you can do whatever kind of rainbow you want. And then I always try to ask her like literally 6 months in advance like what she wants to be. So then I can start stockpiling everything. So it makes it really easy when you can just take one day, knock it out, and be done with the costume. So we already had this white shirt on hand. So I took the white shirt and I just cut some pink felt out of pink felt I had left from one of my other projects, glued it on the front to make it look like a unicorn belly. I felt like the arms were pretty boring, and she wanted rainbow arms. I don't know what that means. And she'll already have rainbow legs, so I was just like, okay, we'll improvise. So I took some felt along the base of the sleeve and just cut fringe into the felt. Again, just extra felt I had, and then tied some ribbons on the sleeves. I don't know, to kind of pretend these are like hoofs with like fluffy hair. You know what I mean? So I don't know. She thought they were so cool though. And again, I already had this shirt, so I didn't have to pay for that. I had already bought the ribbon. The felt was something I already had on hand. As far as her headpiece, so I bought this probably 8 months ago at Ross. It's this little unicorn headpiece. I need to cut the tag off. It was $2.99. And at the time she was like, I really want to be a unicorn. And I was like, okay, we'll see if this passes or not. But I bought it anyway. But it's pretty cute. It's like glitter wire. And it fits perfectly. I just bought it. It was $3. I was like, why not? If not, she can run around in a unicorn horn, you know? The skirt I was gonna make a big tulle skirt, but tulle's actually pretty expensive and it's a lot of work for what you have to end up doing. I've made tulle skirts on my own. It's just not worth it. So I found this one on Amazon. I think it was $14 at the time. But it's the cutest little rainbow fluff puff. And she loves it. You can wear it either way, with the white on top or with the pink on top. So she's obsessed. She'll wear this for a long time, like in playing. She's really into like pretending we're dancing and things like that. So I just don't think a lot of this stuff you can use again, because she's at the age where they just like to continue dressing up. So just then put it in your dress up box or keep it for later. I don't know. Her legs, she really wanted rainbow legs, if you'll remember. So I found on Amazon these little leg warmers, and they're just open at the bottom, and they're actually pretty long and stretchy, so they go up just up past your knee, just because she's really tall. And she's wearing a gray pair of leggings that, again, we already had. These weren't very expensive, maybe $6 at the time. So again, from Amazon, I didn't have to go anywhere looking for these, but she thought that I love those. She loves them. And then for the tail, we want, again, remember, rainbow. And I wasn't going to do the primary colors. We're sticking kind of like with this color palette. So I just went to Walmart when we were there at one point, and I was like, let's just go ahead and get the ribbon for your unicorn costume. So I bought all of this ribbon, and this is what her tail looks like. And I just made sure we cut it separate lengths. And all it's held onto is like a little binder ring. So, and I just have it, it literally just hooks into the tulle skirt like right here, and it looks great. She thought it was super cool. We've already tried it on once and she loved it. This was so easy. You just literally stick it through the little threads of ribbon, and it worked so well. So again, really easy. And then I took a little bit of a step and got a little extra with it, because it's honestly just who I am as a person. And I wanted her to have like unicorn hair. So we were at Walmart, same trip for the ribbon, and we were in the Halloween aisle, and I found this hairpiece. So probably supposed to be more of like Rapunzel-y, princessy, but I was like, this would actually be really cool unicorn hair. So I have a tutorial coming for you specifically on unicorn hair. It's going to need a video all of its own. It's a pretty big process, but literally it's just going to be like right here, and then her hair is going to be braided into it. So I'm hoping I can film that for you guys and show how I did that to you. But this is actually really cute. You could honestly, we almost were going to use this for the tail, but she liked the ribbons more. So, you know, take it for what it is. But I thought this was really cool. Just wanted to kind of give you guys an overview of what the costume looked like ahead of time. Of course, my video is going to walk you through of all the steps of how I did everything, the tail, how the shirt looks, the hair, like all of that. And then I'm going to try to keep the hair video separate, just in case you're looking for that kind of tutorial too. But it's, again, it's the easiest costume I've ever done. Again, it's probably about 20 bucks more than the mermaid costume. So maybe you just go get the mermaid costume. I don't know. I've linked everything down below that I've used, everything that I can find. So the hairpiece, the ribbons, the tulle skirt, the headband, I'll link something similar. Again, I was at Ross. You know Ross isn't online. The leggings, I'll try to find this exact costume for you, but they had some other ones. I just thought this one was the best one, especially for the money. And yeah, but if you want to make your own unicorn costume, then keep watching. Well, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my tutorial. I hope that it helped you learn how to make a unicorn costume, something that is so easy. Anyone can do it. You just need a hot glue gun, and that's pretty much it. There was no sewing, and I think it makes such a cute costume. If you have a question, feel like I missed something, forgot something, feel free to leave me a comment below. I'll be sure to get back to you, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!